Have you ever found yourself staring at a software problem in your business thinking, there's got to be a better way to do this? Maybe you're juggling multiple systems that don't talk to each other, or paying for features that you never use. Or worse, you spend thousands on software that your team hates using. You're not alone. I've seen businesses waste money on the wrong software decisions. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to decide whether to build custom software or buy an existing solution. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear framework that could save you months of headaches and potentially thousands of dollars. Let's start with the basics. What exactly do we mean by build versus buy? Buying software means purchasing existing solutions. Think Salesforce, QuickBooks, or any software as a service product that you subscribe to monthly. These are ready-to-use systems built for mass market appeal. Building software means developing a custom solution specifically for your needs. This could be anything from a simple automation tool to a complete enterprise system tailored to your workflow. Now, buying software is like purchasing a suit off the rack. It's faster, it has a predictable cost, and works well enough for most people. You can start using it almost immediately, but you'll have to adapt to how it works rather than the other way around, where it works exactly how you need it to. Building software is like getting a suit tailored. It takes longer and often costs more upfront, but it fits your exact measurements and preferences. Every feature is designed around how your business actually operates. Neither option is inherently better. They're tools for different solutions. The trick is knowing which one makes sense for your specific business challenge. So how do you make this decision? Let's break down the key factors that you should think about. The first thing you need to do is evaluate your business needs. Are your processes standard across your industry, or are they a little more unique? If you run a pretty typical accounting practice, existing software might work just fine. But if your workflow involves specialized steps that give you a competitive edge, custom software might better preserve that advantage. Second, consider your timeline. Do you need a solution next week? Buying is almost always faster to implement. Do you have a few months? Building might be worth the wait if the result better fits your needs. Third, you need to think about your budget. Buying software typically means lower upfront costs, but ongoing subscription fees that add up over time. Building often requires a higher initial investment, but could mean lower total cost of ownership if you use it for many years. Fourth, assess your growth plans. Will you need to scale rapidly? Some off-the-shelf products handle scaling beautifully, while others become exponentially more expensive as you grow. Custom solutions can be built with your specific scaling needs in mind. And fifth, think about your integration requirements. Does this software need to work seamlessly with your existing systems? Off-the-shelf solutions might offer limited integration capabilities, while custom software can be designed specifically to connect to your tech stack. Last and definitely not least, consider your competitive advantage. If software is merely a support function in your business, buying makes a lot of sense. But if technology is central to how you deliver value to your customers, building could be the better long-term investment. So let's talk about when custom software really shines. There are 5 major benefits that my clients consistently experience. First is perfect process alignment. Custom software conforms to your workflow, not the other way around. This means your team doesn't have to create workarounds or change how they work to accommodate your software limitations. Second is the elimination of feature bloat. You only pay for and implement exactly what you need. No more cluttered interfaces with dozens of buttons nobody uses or confusing options that require extensive training. Third is competitive differentiation. Custom software can help you deliver your service in ways your competitors can't match, whether that's faster response times, more personalized service, or unique offerings. Technology that perfectly supports your business model is hard to replicate. Fourth is data ownership and security. With custom solutions, you maintain complete control over your data, how it's stored, and who can access it. This can be particularly valuable in regulated industries or for businesses with sensitive IP. Fifth is adaptability. As your business evolves, custom software can evolve with you. You're not at the mercy of a vendor's roadmap or update schedule. Let's also talk about specific pain points that custom software can solve. Number 1 is system fragmentation. Many businesses end up with a patchwork of different tools that don't communicate well. This leads to duplicated data entry, information silos, and constant context switching for employees. Custom integration solutions can create bridges between these systems, even if you keep using some off-the-shelf product. Number 2 is workflow inefficiencies. Generic software often forces your team to adapt to its logic, creating unnecessary steps or even workarounds. Custom software can eliminate these inefficiencies by mirroring exactly how your business needs to operate. Number 3 is scalability challenges. As your business grows, off-the-shelf solutions might become prohibitively expensive or unable to handle increased volume. Custom solutions can be designed with your specific scaling needs in mind. Number 4 is user frustration. When software is difficult to use or doesn't match how people think about their work, adoption suffers. Custom software can be designed with your specific users in mind, increasing productivity and job satisfaction. Number 5 is lost opportunities. Perhaps most importantly, inadequate software can prevent you from serving customers the way you might want to. I've seen businesses unable to launch new service offerings or expand to new markets because existing software couldn't support it. Now, to be completely fair, building custom software isn't always the right answer. Let me share when buying might make a little bit more sense. First, for standard business functions with little strategic value, tasks like payroll processing or standard email communication rarely provide competitive advantage. So established solutions are often perfect. Second, when you need something immediately. Custom development takes time, so if you need a solution tomorrow, buying is your only real option. Third, when your budget strictly prohibits upfront investment. If you simply don't have the capital for custom development, subscription-based solutions spread your costs over time. Fourth, for non-core business functions. If a process is not central to how you create value for customers, the perfect fit of custom software might just not be worth the investment. Fifth, when excellent off-the-shelf options already exist. In some categories, existing solutions are so good that building something better really would not be cost-effective. The key is being honest about what truly makes your business special and focusing your custom development efforts there. So let me give you a simple framework to help make this decision for your specific situation. Step 1 is identify the business problem that you're trying to solve. Be very specific about what's not working now and what success would ideally look like. Step 2 is research existing solutions. What's already out there that might address this need? What are their limitations for your specific case? Step 3 is calculate the total cost of ownership for both options. For buying, include subscription fees, integration costs, training, and any other process changes required. For building, include development costs, maintenance, and future updates. Step 4 is assess the strategic importance. How central is this function to your competitive advantage? The more important it is, the stronger the case for custom software. And step 5 is evaluate your timeline constraints. Do you have the time to develop a custom solution, or do you need something in place immediately? And step 6, maybe consider a hybrid approach. Sometimes the best solution is to buy core software and build custom integrations or extensions around it. When you go through this process honestly, the right decision often becomes clear. And remember, this isn't necessarily an all or nothing choice. Many of my most successful clients do use a mix of off-the-shelf and custom solutions. So there you have it, a complete framework for deciding whether to build or buy software for your business. The right choice depends on your specific situation once again, but asking these questions can help lead you to the best decision. If you're wrestling with a software decision right now, I'd love to help you think through it. I've created a quick questionnaire that will help me understand your specific challenges and offer personalized guidance. Just visit the link in the description to fill it out, and I'll personally review your situation and provide some initial thoughts on the best path forward. There's no obligation, and you might gain some clarity that saves you significant time and money. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the right software decision isn't about following trends or doing what everyone else does. It's about aligning technology with your unique business goals. I hope to connect with you soon. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more tech information. Thank you.